proportion. And if you have a word problem and you've got 3 numbers, you probably might have a proportion. That's not a rule that's always going to work, but it's something to check. Because if you're trying to find the 4th number and you're comparing things and you're looking for a proportional relationship, then you are certainly going to have a proportion. But to solve a proportion, this is the way you might do it. Let's say you get it set up, your word problem set up. Let me see if I can find one. Olivia bought 6 containers of yogurt for $7.68. 3 yogurts for $7.68. How much for 10 yogurts? Now, I've got yogurt and yogurt, and then I've got money. I have 3 numbers. I'm trying to find out the 4th number, right? Because I've got yogurt and I've got money. I just don't have another money. And if I'm looking at by apples and oranges by oranges, I can put what by what? Do the words first. What by what, guys?
Yogurt by yogurt.
Yogurt by yogurt. And what else?
Money by money.
And money by money. Yogurt by yogurt and money by money. Now, what am I going to put for my first yogurt?
3.
3 yogurts, and how much did 3 yogurts cost?
$7.68.
$7.68. And then on the other side, I've got my other number is 10. Is 10 going to go beside the yogurt, or is it going to go by the money?
Yogurt.
Yogurt, because it is, in fact, yogurt. So the X, the what I don't know, the variable, goes here where my money is, because I don't know how much that cost. To solve it then, but you needed to see that I had 3 numbers. I did line equals line. I set it up like a proportion, matching up the words first. Go to your words first. Yogurt by yogurt, money by money. And then I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 3x equals 768 times 10. Well, I know 768 times 10, I can just move my decimal over. So that's going to be 7680. And then what am I going to do from this point? I got a crackhead. How am I going to get rid of the 3 beside the crackhead? Divide to get rid of it. So 7680 divided by 3 is going to give me my answer, which is going to tell me how much for 10. That would be an 8 there, would it? What did I mess up with my multivision? 266.
Did you say multivision?
Multivision, multiplication. Okay, 18, 20. So that's going to keep going. So I don't have money that looks like this, do I? So if I round that so that it's normal money, because we don't live on another planet that's got 3 kind of cents over here, what would it be in money? $28 and how much cents?
67 or 66.
27, because it would round up. This is a 2.
Oh.
27. So that's how much you would spend for 10 yogurts. And I just cross-multiplied and divided. Another way we do a little trick is you cross-multiply the 2 that have a partner, the ones across from each other, and you divide by the lonely guy that doesn't have a girlfriend. You cross-multiply the 2 that have, the boyfriend and girlfriend, and you divide by the lonely guy, the third wheel. Cut.